What about your this?
No, I think whoever they give the ticket, it doesn't matter. Today, nobody wants the Bharatiya Janata Party government nor the Congress party because we have seen whoever you vote for, in the end, Bharatiya Janata Party government comes. So voters of Congress also are not going to vote for Congress, and voters of BJP are also disgusted with their government. So today the only option is Aam Aadmi Party. We don't want to vote for one party and then have that vote sold to some other party without us being asked. Correct. So today people don't want this type of electoral politics. We have seen enough of this, politics of betrayal from 1990 till 2005, when there were 16 changes of government in Goa in just 15 years. 16 times the chief minister changed, or there was president's rule. The government kept changing and Goa suffered a lot. We did not have any jobs created. We did not have any industries made. Today all the problems we are suffering is because of the dirty politics of that time, and people are seeing it is starting again. It is starting right again. So people are going to reject BJP and Congress and elect only Aam Aadmi Party. No, if 10,000 jobs can be given in the last 6 months before elections, it is very obvious that why did he make all the youngsters and all the aspirants suffer for the last 9.5, 10 years? Why did he make them suffer? And it is very obvious that these are not real jobs. These are just jumlas. He has said that only 8,000 advertisements have been given. Jobs have not been given. Those jobs don't exist. This Bharatiya Janata Party government does not have the capacity to create those jobs. They don't have money to pay the salaries of the current government servants. So how will they create new jobs? They don't have the ideas, they don't have the vision, they don't have the capacity to create those jobs. Aam Aadmi Party has the capacity and we will create those jobs. But as far as the CM's assurances, it is a complete jumla, it is a lie. They may even go as far as to even give appointment letters, right before election, before model code of conduct comes. But I want to warn and tell the people of Goa, especially the youngsters who are waiting for jobs, you have not been given jobs all these years because these jobs don't exist. This government cannot create those jobs, and do not believe those pieces of paper. It will not be worth the piece of paper on that where the job letter will be given. And because as soon as by chance if this government gets re-elected, which it won't, it will scrap those jobs, because like I said, those jobs do not exist.
But CM had told that this job will be given before the code of conduct. So do you think it is possible that before the code of conduct he can able to give that job?
That's exactly what I said. He will make all these statements. He will, like I said, probably even give letters, pieces of paper he will give, but not the actual job. So this is nothing to be believed. In fact, when he made that statement, we had already challenged him. Forget 10,000, you give 1,000 jobs by December and show. Real jobs where people are reporting to those jobs. He was very angry, and it is because I think he's getting calls from his high command in Delhi that you told us all great stories that we have achieved 100% this, 100% that. We have finished Har Ghar Jal scheme. We have done open defecation free. So why is the survey showing that your government is falling, that BJP government is at threat? So that is the question I think his high command is calling him and asking again and again. And that frustration was very obvious yesterday when he gave the speech. He started attacking the opposition. He called them names. He called somebody Nalayak. He called somebody selfish. Actually, it is the Bharatiya Janata Party that was the most selfish. In 2017, the people of Goa gave them just 13 seats out of 40. But out of their own selfishness, out of their own greed, they purchased MLAs of other parties and formed an illegitimate government. So I think Pramod Sawantji should not call other people selfish when he has shown his and his party's selfishness to the highest degree, and for which the people of Goa have suffered in the last 5 years. So the point though is this Sarkar Tumcha Dari is actually an extremely cheap imitation of the doorstep delivery scheme of Arvind Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi. An extremely cheap imitation. In Delhi, the government actually comes to the doorstep of the people through the 1076 call center, through the mobile Sahayaks who come to the house and actually take all your documents, get your signature, give you the receipt, and then send you the document you requested, whatever service you requested to your house. Here, people are being asked to come one day before to register. Then on the day of the Sabha, it is nothing but an election rally, and all this is happening just in the last 3 months before election, whereas Aam Aadmi Party's doorstep delivery scheme has been there for the last 3 years. More than 55 lakh people have benefited from it. So if Mr. Pramod Sawant really wants to get the government to the doorstep, he is welcome to ask us. We will show him how it is done.
Valmiki, Kejriwal was supposed to come. What happened? Why he didn't come?
So we had a big event planned, and unfortunately the authorities did not give us the permission on time. I feel they are a little jittery, they are a little scared, because every time Arvind Kejriwal has been coming now, he makes assurances to the people on real issues, he gives real solutions, and today people believe Kejriwal. Today we have said that our slogan is Goyan Badal Jai, Kejriwal Jai. So Kejriwal Jai, the meaning of that is that we want trust, we want a guarantee, we want assurances that whatever promises any political party makes, they will fulfill it. And today the name Kejriwal means that whatever he says, he does. People believe that when they elect an Aam Aadmi Party government, they will get 300 units free of electricity. People believe that when they elect Aam Aadmi Party government, they will get one job at least in every house. They believe that they will get at least 3,000 rupees until they get that job. They believe that there will be a law passed to reserve 80% jobs in private companies. They believe that a skills university will be made in Goa. So today, people are believing Aam Aadmi Party, and that is why the government of Goa is a little worried. That is why they are trying to stall and delay this progress by denying permissions and creating cheap hurdles like this. But that is expected.
They had given? What, any reason they had
I
given?
don't know the exact details, but basically we had the event planned on a certain date and we had done all the arrangements. But unfortunately they said we cannot give the permission by that date.
Outdoor or indoor it was?
It was an outdoor event. It was a big event actually. So we have inverted all the permissions, and as soon as we get those permissions, we will definitely inform you about the details of the event.